The Redmi Note 16 Pro Plus 5G is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated mid-range smartphones in Xiaomi's lineup, packing premium features that could rival higher-end models. Rumors suggest it will sport a 200MP main camera for detailed photos and possibly advanced recording capabilities, backed by a large AMOLED display with smooth visuals that are ideal for gaming and media. While exact chipset details aren't fully confirmed, most leaks point to a powerful modern processor and fast performance suitable for multitasking and everyday use, along with generous battery capacity and fast charging support to keep the device going throughout the day. On the software side, the phone is expected to ship with the latest Android version paired with Xiaomi's HyperOS skin for fluid navigation and smart features. As for timing, several sources place the launch around mid to late 2026, with specific markets like Bangladesh potentially seeing availability by August 2026 and other regions following soon after, though Xiaomi has yet to announce an official release date.